of my spirit, open up. I am with the Father, open up. No boundaries, no limits, open up. Let deep call unto deep, open up. Channels of my spirit, open up. I am with the Father, open up. No boundaries, no limits, open up. Let deep call unto deep, open up. Open up. Let the river flow now. Out of the mundane to where I'm ordained for things that were made. We're made from things unseen. There are realms of glory that my words should see. Dimensions found only in Jesus Christ the Son. Hey, channels of my spirit, open up. I am with the Father, open up. No boundaries, no limit, open up. Let deep call unto deep, open up. Hey, channels of my spirit, open up. Open up now. I am with the Father, open up. No boundaries, no limits, open up. Let deep call unto deep, open up. Somebody lift your voice and say, channels of my spirit, open up. Hey, because I am with the Father, open up. And no boundaries, no limit, open up. Let deep call unto deep, open up. Somebody lift your hands and say with me, channels of my spirit, open up. Because I am with the Father, open up. Oh, no boundaries, no limit, open up. Hey, let it call unto deep. Somebody lift your hands and say, out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. Out of my belly shall flow. Out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. Let it call unto deep. Lift your voice and begin to speak in tongues. Let it flow, flow, flow. No boundaries, no limits. Somebody say, I know. Channels of my spirit, because I am with the Father. No boundaries, no limits. Hey, and let it call unto thee. One more time, say with me now. Channels of my spirit. Hey, sha-la-da-da-da-da-da. I am with my Father. Tell it. No boundaries, no limits. Let it call unto thee. Let it flow, flow, flow. Let it flow, flow, flow. Let the river flow. Let the river flow. Let the river flow. Somebody say, let the river flow. Let the river flow. Let the river flow. Let it break forth. Father, let it break forth. Let the river flow. 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 Out of my belly shall flow rivers of. Out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. Let the river flow, flow, flow. 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 Channels of my spirit, open up. I am with the Father. Open up. No wonders, no limit. Open up. Let it come at you deep. Open up. Let the river flow. My one needs to see Jesus. They need to feel Jesus. Because I'm the extension of his hands. I'm the extension of his hands. I'm the carrier of grace. I'm the carrier of grace. Hey, nations are inside of me. Open up, open up. Destinies are inside of it. Open up. Open up. Open up. Maradagadalabayada. All of the mundane to where I'm ordained for things that were made. We're made from things unseen. There are realms of glory for my word to see. Dimensions found only in Jesus Christ the Son. Channels of my spirit,